my speedometer. I thought I'd check it out. Test it out. Running good. It's running good. Woo-hoo! Going in for alignment and lower ball joint on the passenger side. Putneys. Well, I decided to tackle the body work on the hood anyway. It's all sanded down. Oh, sanded down. I picked up some bondo stuff, short-strand, fucking fiberglass. I'm gonna fill her all in, smooth her out, straighten it out, paint her up. Bam. Oh, there's the first coat on the half side here. Still got to do that side. Let's see, we'll let that dry up. I'm going to sand it down, get it smooth, then I'll do the same to this side. Well, sanding away. It's got nice and smooth. Just got to finish sanding this zone here, and then I can put some light putty just to make it super smooth. And then sand all that off and give it a coat of prime, sand the prime, and hopefully at that point we're ready to go. Alright. Good. Ready for its first coat of primer. Pretty damn smooth, everything. Well, we'll see how it turns out. This is just a pre-job anyways. So I'm going to get it ready for VanFest before I actually do the real phase of body work. This is just a little quickie. All right. Boom. It's got some primer. It's drying up. There's a few little defects that I got to touch up. And put some little lightweight putty on it, which is to be expected. So it's looking good. It's coming along. Yeah, love it. Okay, there's the hood so far. Primed up, ready for its final sand. Ready for the final sand. 320 coming up. It's looking good. It's not perfect, 100%. Just did a quick job. I want to get it ready for VanFest. I might just even leave it in prime. And then who knows, after VanFest, I might start the entire bodywork phase. Kind of got the itch now. Now that I started this hood here. It's looking phenomenal. I don't know if you remember how it looked before, but it was pretty bad. There was cracks on top here. It was uneven. It's a lot better now. Boom. Final product. Finished off the paint. And still going to buff it and polish it. For sure. Definitely looks good though. And I re-chromed this top piece. Hook the front lights. I think I gotta re-straighten out the lights underneath. The one's a little bit brighter than the other side. It's alright, it's fixable. Definitely shiny. Doesn't have the cracks anymore. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It's a little bit nighttime right now, but yeah, it looks good. I'm actually pretty happy with it. First time really tackling bodywork, so. And I want to get it done quick before VanFest, just to have it cleaned up and looking a little bit better than what it was before. Okay, so I decided that I am going to wet sand this and polish. There is some orange peel effect. I don't know if you could see it on the camera here. So I got some 2000 grit and 2500 grit wet sanding paper. Supposed to add a little bit of Dawn soap in there. I got this block here. Supposed to be pretty good to help do this sanding situation here. Okay, I'll be back once I do a first round of some wet sand with 2000 grit. Okay, we got a little bit of a final product here. Definitely looking smoother. There's this little run here that is a little bit of a problem, but I think I could live with it for now. I think this is going to be good enough for VanFest. It's definitely cleaned up compared to what it was, and definitely be starting the body work shortly after VanFest, so I'm not too worried. Definitely got a nice smooth glossy finish to it. Needs a little bit more buffing, I'm sure, but I'm a little bit exhausted right now, so I'm just gonna let her go for now. Get it ready for a good wash. Just a little closer look here after I buffed it. Definitely looks smooth again. I would say about 90% of the orange peel is gone, so hey, for a first-time rookie, I'm very happy with it. It tells me that I'm able to do the rest. Just a little bit more patience I need. Shit, if I wasn't going to VanFest, I'd probably start doing the entire body work on it. But it looks good. Way better than it looked before. Still got to do that top up there. That's a little bit of a mess. Well, I'll wait till after VanFest to do that. Oh, sorry about my fingers in the way. Let me put on the hood scoop lights. That's vanning, baby. Wait for it until it gets a little bit darker. I'm going to check out these front lights. Okay, we'll see you on the next episode. I'll do a little tour, complete tour of the van inside and like a pre-VanFest tour. And if you don't know what VanFest is, it's a big Ontario van show, van camp out, all that stuff. It's good times, good people. I'll just be going on the Saturday. I think they got a van show that day, but yeah, we'll see you. Okay. That's going to do it for this video. All right. Over and out.